I think about 1, 2, 3 have used artificial intelligence before now. So it's not a new thing. Artificial intelligence is here with us. Used AI for design. Okay. AI for design. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So if I may ask, for those of us that have used Canva and Remini, how many of us have made money using Canva? Let's know in the chat box. I have made money using Canva, or I have made money using Remini. Or we just use it for design and just for normal personal designs. Let me know. Have you used Canva to make money before? Used AI for design, just for personal design. Okay. Made money from Canva and personal stores. Awesome. Miriam, thank you very much. No, I haven't made money. I've made money using Canva. Great, great. Never made money using Canva. Always for personal designs. Okay, okay. Great. So I can see that I haven't made money with any, just for my personal edits. Okay, okay. That is very, very great. So we can have an idea of how to move and how to position. Okay, so we have some people that have used it. So tonight I'll be taking notes on what artificial intelligence is. We'll look at the definition. We'll look at the benefits we can derive from artificial intelligence as a content creator. Then we'll look at the visual content creation aspect of it. That will conclude the process and we'll go into our labs for tonight. We're about 30 minutes now, so we have about 1 hour more for this session before we go into the question and answer session. Like the quote I have here, it says, believe you can and you are halfway there. Believe you can and you are halfway there. That is the problem with most of us Africans. We don't believe in ourselves. Even most of us can do much more than what we can imagine. But the problem we have is we don't believe. We always doubt ourselves. Can I really do it? I'm not sure. Let me give it to someone else to help me do it. I cannot make the design myself. It will not be fine. It will not look like a professional. It will not look so great. So I need a professional to help me do my designs. Those are the problems and those are the constraints we have as Africans. But that belief we'll try and kill it within the 2 sessions we'll have today and tomorrow, and make you have the confidence to go all out and make your designs yourself. Yes. What is artificial intelligence? I hope everybody can see my screen. Can you see my slide? Let me know in the chat box if you can see my slide. Okay, great. Tayo says yes. Okay. So artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks typically requires an human intelligence. This can include things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. In simpler terms, AI is when machines are made to think and act like human. That is just the mini definition of artificial intelligence. I try to limit it to a very simple form whereby any layman can understand. The ability of a machine, of your laptop, of your phone, of your tablet to think like a human, act like a human, and perform intelligent tasks just like a human. That is what artificial intelligence is all about. And If you look at almost everything that we have now present on Earth, they've infused artificial intelligence to it in one way or the other. Televisions now use, there are televisions now that are powered by artificial intelligence. There are cars that are powered by artificial intelligence. In short, there are waiters in eateries that are powered by artificial intelligence. There are some eateries now in Saudi Arabia that are dominated by robots. There are no human there at all. The robot will serve the food, take the food to the order, take the right order to the person. So that is how far artificial intelligence has gone. The ability of a computer to think like an human and act like a human, that you will not even suspect that this is not an human performing the task. That is what artificial intelligence is all about in summary. So now we're talking about artificial intelligence and human, the relationship between artificial intelligence and human. In relation to human, AI has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. This can lead to increased productivity and efficiency in various industries. If you look at your banking app, most of our banking websites now and apps, when you go there to chat, you click on live chat. When you start chatting, someone will ask you, what is your name? You tell the person your name. What is your account number? What is your location? That is an artificial intelligence machine representing an human in that process. Even there are artificial intelligence machine now that can help you process a transfer, a bank transfer. You just input your name, input your account number, input the account number you're sending to, and it will process the transaction for you. That is how far artificial intelligence has helped in automating the process, making it easier for human to relax more and do the more tedious roles. So the humans now are now left, okay, when you now complain to the chatbot that, okay, yes, everything is fine, but somebody just removed 10,000 from my account. The chatbot will now ask you, come again. Somebody just removed 10,000. I need to find a way to block the person now. Okay, he will now tell you, I don't have an answer for this. I would like to transfer you to a customer care attendant. That is what we call automation. The ability for the machine to be able to free people from the repetitive task and help them do them. That's how automation has worked. In healthcare, which is the second I have on my list here, AI can be used to analyze medical data, assist in diagnostics, and even develop new treatments. This has the potential to improve healthcare outcomes and make medical services more accessible. Now, when you go to hospitals, there are so many machines used for scan, for diagnosis, that they will just place it on the person, and once the machine reads it, it will tell, okay, this person has so level of sugar, so level of cancer, this person is so level stage of cancer. This is what I propose that we can do. This is what I suggest us to do. Those are artificial intelligence that have been trained. They have imputed informations and data into them. So they can know that, the machine can easily know that when somebody has this number, this type of, what do we call it? Temperature, when he has a 120 degree of temperature, he has a 130 degree of this and that, this is what can cause it, and these are the solution. That is how artificial intelligence have helped in the healthcare session. That is how artificial intelligence has helped in the healthcare session. So in education, AI-powered tools can personalize learning experience, cater to individuals' student needs, and provide new avenues for interactive and engaging education. When I was asking the other time about who amongst us have used Canva, I got on the chat box from one of the respondents that she has used it for several projects. Several projects. That is what AI can do in terms of education. Now, people are now becoming lazy because when you have difficulties in solving some questions that are too technical for you, just type them into your chatbot, type them into your ChatGPT, type them into your Jasper, type them into your AI bot. You get your responses, you get an answer that is, most times it is 90% accurate. Most times it is 90% accurate. So those things have really helped with education. So you can just relax and say, oh, I have an assignment next tomorrow, and you wait till 5 minutes before the time to start rushing it, because you know you have an assistant that can help you make things faster. That is what artificial intelligence has done for us. Transportation. AI is driving innovation in autonomous vehicles, which have the potential to make transportation safer, more efficient, and accessible to a wider population. I want to know if you're following me in the chat box. Have you ever heard of cars without driver? Have you seen one online? A car that has no driver. I want to know if you are really following the trend. Have you seen cars with no drivers? Yes, Tesla. Okay. Okay, yes, popular in Dubai. Yes, yes. They are in China now. You have buses in China that do not have drivers. I can see some people raising their hands. Do we have questions, or I want us to keep our questions to the end of this presentation? But if you have a question that is urgent, you can drop it in the chat box. You can drop it in the chat box. So there are cars now. Okay, thank you, King Saudi Life. So there are cars now that they will take you from your house to wherever you are going to, and nobody is driving. I can imagine the first time I will enter such a car. I'll be like, what is really happening? You gotta be careful, because no error must occur. But those machines are very intelligent. Even they are much more accurate than humans. They know when to stop for traffic lights. They know when they are getting closer to the gutter. They know when they are getting closer to humans. They will stop. There are sensors around them that have been implanted through the help of artificial intelligence to let them program those things, and they can think and act and see like human. The only difference is that they are robots. Even in US now, there are small machines that moves like a minivan that moves. It's not too big like this, just like the size of a carton. You put your food, they'll put your food in it, and it will bring your food to your house. That is what artificial intelligence has done. It has made things simpler and easier for us. So with these innovations, everybody should be able to do exploits and make money. You need to be able to make money with this opportunity. Even if you cannot take a big course and make much more money, you can make money from people around you. There are a lot of people around you that needs all these services, but they don't have the orientation, they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the opportunity to be in a class like this. So that is why we have organized this class for you to come on board and learn. So when you learn, you can now go back to them and find a way to get your own money from them while you render the services to them. I hope you're following. Yes, customer service. Yeah, the next one, number 5, is customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can provide 24/7 support, answer inquiries, and streamline customer interaction. This is almost like the first one I explained the other time, the automation I explained. For customer service, it's been there almost all companies in the US now, even around the world, have chatbots. Everybody has a virtual assistant that will take your inquiries first, respond to you, and will now do what? Pass you to the right session, pass you to the right department that you need help with. Even on WhatsApp, if all of, I know most of us will be using WhatsApp Business, so we know about how you can set your WhatsApp Business to respond to your clients immediately they try to make inquiries. When they send a message, you program it to tell them, no, we have closed. Those are the functions of artificial intelligence. The machine will know that, oh, this time is out of our closing, we're out of our opening time and we are closed. It will send the right message to the person that, oh no, we are closed for the day. We cannot take inquiries, come back tomorrow. Those are part of how artificial intelligence have helped humans as a whole. So now, how can we benefit from artificial intelligence in 2024? Artificial intelligence has been existing since 1956. Since 1956. But I'm sure most of us will still be believing that, oh, artificial intelligence just came maybe like 3 years or 2 years ago or 4 years ago. Artificial intelligence started in 1956. But the awareness just started now when people are just saying, oh, this thing can really work, this thing can really work, this thing can really help. But the fear now is that within the next 4 years, within the next 3 to 4 years, a lot of people will lose their jobs. A lot of staffs will lose their jobs. A lot of companies will have to send people back home. Because why? What a single customer care attendant can do, an artificial intelligence programmed machine can attend to 100 or even 500 customers on the go. That is the difference. If you need somebody now to respond to chats on the chat box, you need the person to be answering one person. A person cannot answer 500 persons simultaneously. So that is what artificial intelligence has done. It is now making it easier. So one machine can attend to 100 people at a go, attend to 200 people at a go. So with that, so many people will begin to lose their jobs. They'll begin to lose their roles. So the best thing now for you to do is try and leverage on what is happening now. Get knowledge, get orientations, get much more wisdom on how to be a part of this artificial intelligence. You need to position. When they were shouting tech, 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 now everybody wants to be a tech person. Even those that went to school to study, what do we call it? Medicine and surgery, that studied biochemistry. Everybody is now looking for a way to infuse technology into what they have learned so that they can be relevant. That is what we are going to now. We are now going to a world whereby tech will now dominate. So how do you want to position yourself so that when these opportunities come, you can grab them? The opportunities are here already. They are flowing around. But the only thing is for us to have information. And information is power, like my people say. Information is power. Around this time last year, I attended a session for artificial intelligence. I attended a training, a four session training for 500,000 naira. Artificial intelligence training for 500,000 naira, just 4 classes. So you can see how the demand is. The more you want to grow, the more knowledge you need to acquire. The more knowledge you need to acquire. Well, for the purpose of this class, I'll be so how do I use the word? I'll be so minimal in my detail, because I know that most of us are new to it. We want to know the nitty-gritty and know the surroundings of what we are going into. So I'll make it as flexible as possible so that everyone can have something to take home from this session. Yes, how can we benefit? Number 1, personalized contents. The AI-powered algorithm can analyze large volumes of data to understand user preference and behavior, enabling the creation of personalized content tailored to specific audience. This can help business deliver more relevant and engaging content to their customers. This personalized content, I want to know in the chat box, have you ever tried to buy, let me see, what do we buy regularly? Have you ever tried to buy probably bread from Gigi? Or where do they sell bread online? Have you ever tried to buy a product online and in the next minute, you start seeing advertisement of such products on your phone? I want to know if, in the chat box if you have experienced that. You try to buy something now, after that minute, you'll be seeing adverts. When you play game, the advert will pop up that you should buy something again. This is another type of that product. Have you ever experienced that? Yes, I have experienced it. Okay, yes, I have. That is artificial intelligence, personalized content. It has been trained. It will look at the algorithms. What data did this person input? This person likes Yoruba movie. When you watch Yoruba movie for a long while on even what do we call it, on YouTube, you keep watching Yoruba movie, you keep watching Yoruba movie. At a point, all the movies you start seeing on your screen that will be popping up as your next option would be Yoruba movies. They know that this person likes a Yoruba movie. That is artificial intelligence at work. They have programmed the software to think, to imagine what you are imagining, and know that, oh, from the search that this person have made, this person loves so and so things. So every advertisement that will be coming to you will be around your preference and the data you have imputed on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your Google search, and that is how it works. So that is personalized content. There are applications that can do that for you. They will keep following your customers everywhere they go, putting it in front of them. Come and buy from us. Come and buy from us. That is what artificial intelligence can do. Automated content creation. AI can be used to automate the generation of content such as articles, reports, product description, natural language generation techniques, AI systems to produce human-like text, saving time and resources for content creators. Now, if you want to be a content creator, like all of us want to be on this call, or let me say most of us want to be on this call, you want to be a content creator, you want to make money from online, you want to make money from the internet with your mobile phone, with this your mini mobile phone with your internet, you need to leverage on all these apps that can help you create the content automatically. There are apps that you just put in a topic. Okay, I want to write an article on Jesus Christ. It will bring out an article on Jesus Christ. I want to write an article on Nigeria. It will bring out articles of 200 pages, 500 pages, 1,000 pages, depending on what you want, within 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and you have an article to post. You have a report to post. You have a product description. Like some of us that have products that we sell online, we always have challenge with, oh, how will I, what will I write as the description now? I want to put, maybe you sell kids wears, you sell children wears. You want to post, you have been using the same thing. Buy from us. We are the best. We are the least. You don't want to post the next day. You don't know what to post. There are applications that are powered by artificial intelligence that you can just run to. Tell me, suggest to me how I can market my kids' wears. The application will just tell you like 10 options. Buy from us, we are the best. It will give you 10 options that there is no how you will not get about 5 that you can use from it. So that is what part of what artificial intelligence have been doing and we need to benefit from in 2024. Enhance creativity. AI tools can aid content creators by providing inspiration, generating ideas, offering suggestions for improving the quality of content. These tools can help writers and designers overcome creative blocks and explore new possibilities. That is it. When you have all these artificial intelligence powered softwares around you, you cannot lack inspiration. You cannot lack ideas. When you just go there and you are like, oh, I don't know the next thing to post. Just go on those chatbots, go on those applications, type, oh, I want to do so things. What are the suggestions you have for me? It will give you ideas. That is the help of artificial intelligence. So you cannot start a business online now, or you start content creation online now, and you say, oh, I'm out of ideas. I don't know what next to post. I think, I will have to think. What can I post tomorrow? What can I? No. Artificial intelligence can help you create inspiring content that you can post for the rest of 2024. That is how artificial intelligence have come to help. Content curation. AI-powered content curation platform can sift through vast amount of information to identify and organize relevant content from across the web. This can help businesses and individuals stay up to date in the latest trend and news in their respective industries. So content curation is just about these artificial intelligence machines and softwares going to sniff on your rivals. They'll go and sniff on your competitors. Okay, oh, this person sells human hair. This is the type of human hair that sells more from that person. Oh, the one that is between 5,000 and 10,000 sells more. The one that is between 20,000 and 50,000 sells more. All these things, information can help you position yourself. And by the time you are coming to the market, you have an idea of where you are going to. You have an idea of how to come into the market. You are not just coming like a novice, because all of us cannot go to a school of business now to now go and start learning how to do business or how to start a business. But with these AI, artificial intelligence powered softwares and applications that you can access on your mobile phone, you don't need to have a laptop. So that is the good news about it. You don't need to have a laptop to do all this magic. With your mobile phone, you do these things with ease. You will not be out of content, you will not be out of ideas to tell you, okay, these are the type of things you should do for your industry if you want to thrive fast and you want to make real good money from the internet in 2024. So language translation and localization. AI-powered translation tools can help business expand their reach by quickly and accurately translating content into multiple languages. Localization features can also ensure that content is culturally and linguistically appropriate for specific regions. There are some people in China now, they sell some products, but those people that are selling those products, they don't even know how to speak English. And they want to market to people in Africa. They want to market to people in Nigeria. What they just need to do is infuse the artificial intelligence into their websites. They will infuse the translator into the website. So when somebody from Nigeria or from anywhere in the world logs into the website and tries to search, immediately it will say, okay, you are logging in from Nigeria. It will translate the whole website to English, and you will be able to navigate through the website easily. That is artificial intelligence for you. Visual content creation. Yes, AI can assist in creating visual content such as graphic designs, image, video editing, and even generation of synthetic medias. These can help businesses and individuals produce high-quality content more efficiently. This number 6 is going to be our major area of concentration for this training, whereby we can make very good, high-quality visual content and we can monetize it. It's not just about making all these contents. It's not just about creating these concepts. It's about making money from all these things. Those of us that said in the chat box the other time that we have used all these applications, I'm sure for you to have used them, you only use them for your personal use. And those things that you are using them for are what people need services for outside. And you can leverage on them and make money from those things. You can make real good money from those things that you create with your Canva that you create with Remini, you can make real good money from them. Some people have big offices and they don't even have an idea of what we are going to be training us on in this 2-day session. That's why I said, for those of us that already know about all these applications, we have been using them. Yes, there's no knowledge that is ever lost. No knowledge is lost. The ones you know, I'm not taking them away from you. I cannot take them away from you. They are already inbuilt and they are within you. But the only thing is, what you'll be hearing from this session today, or particularly tomorrow, when we'll be going into the marketing details, marketing and making money details of this session, I know might be helpful to you in one way or the other. For those of us that have been making probably 100,000, 200,000 monthly from creating content, I know at the end of this training, if you can be making 200,000 before, after this training, I can be sure to tell you that you will be leveraging higher and making above 100% of what you have been making before, because you are not a newbie and you're already into the line of the business. So it will be easier for you to navigate further. So I want us to pay attention, take our time, listen attentively and play along. You see, the truth about learning is, when you learn all these things and you don't put your mind in it, you'll just be like, it's 2024. Well, I want to make real good money, not all this small content creation money. By tomorrow, I will unveil so many things to you that will make you know that. So within my parlor, within my bedroom, I can really make money from content creation. Within the space of my house, with my mobile phone, without having a laptop, I can make money from content creation. Real good money. People are making up to $100,000 in a month creating contents. I don't know. Can you tell me in the chat box, have you ever heard of someone that made over 100,000 in a month from creating content online? Is there anyone that have heard of it? So I want to be sure that I'm not talking magics here. Do you know people that make up to $100,000 a month from creating content online? I think nobody knows who makes such an amount. Okay, you know of $1,000. Okay, $1,000. Okay, those are musicians, the hip hop artists, the comedians, those are on TikTok that will tell you, hey, this is the comedy, this is the new comedy, this is the new trend, this is it. Most of all these guys leverage on YouTube, leverage on Instagram, leverage on TikTok, leverage on even what do we call it, Twitter has now started paying. People have earned twice this month, this January. Elon Musk have paid 2 times this January on Twitter. But I'm sure most of us are not aware. Most of us just go to Twitter to go and chat and put comments and argue. Those people that are putting those questions, Facebook brings a lot of back also. Okay, thank you, Akisha, for tipping that. Facebook brings a lot of bags. Can you imagine? People are making real good money. People earn as much as 300,000 US dollars in a month creating content and making money. What these people do, the gadgets they have, when you now see the gadgets they started with, they are not even up to a gadget of 100,000. Some people did not invest 100,000 in their business when they started, but look at them now. Comfortably, you can make 10,000 US dollar a month with your mobile phone. 10,000 US dollar, 5,000 US dollar, 2,000 US dollar. If you make 1,000 US dollar in a month, even with your phone, aside your normal money that you have been earning before, I'm sure it is worth it with the current exchange rate. That means you are making about 1.4 million naira, 1.3 million naira in a month. which is a whole lot. So that is what artificial intelligence can help us to do. The secret will be unveiling. I'll go into different dimensions and ways by which we can use it tomorrow. That is a marketing class. So that you can think about, okay, this is what I really want to do. This is what I can do. I have a business I do already. This is what I can do alongside. I am somebody that works 9 to 5. This is what I can do on my weekends and post. And you see that you start earning money in 2024 as an extra income. So overall, AI technologies can empower content creators by automating repetitive tasks, providing valuable insights, and enhancing creativity, ultimately leading to more effective and impactful content. So for visual content creation, AI for visual content creation involves the use of artificial intelligence to automate, enhance, and personalize various content forms like text, images, videos, and audios. It encompasses automated content generation using natural language, content curation, and recommendation based on users' behavior. So today we'll be leveraging on how we can use the text, the images, the video, and the audio to make money, to create content. So like the quote I have here, learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Whatever you're learning tonight, whatever you're learning tomorrow will follow you everywhere you go. So far you make use of it. Even if you don't make use of it after this class, there will be a day that you'll be on the flight and you need to make a quick post, or you need to make an amendment to a flyer of a project you're doing. And you will now know that, oh, I've done a training on content creation. I can actually modify. I can actually make edits with emergency. So those are when you will now have an appreciation for what you'll be learning in this session. So these are content creation tools. I'll not bore with it. I'll just go through it. We have Grammarly. The name alone will tell you what it can do. Grammarly. It will speak grammar for you, interpret the grammar, position the grammar, makes the grammar looks professional, makes the grammar sound professional to your audience, and it will amend the tones. There are some artificial intelligence tools that are used for writing content online that will change the tone of what you're saying. To ask you, do you want the formal tone? Do you want an informal tone? Do you want a tone like you're speaking to a friend? It will adjust it to a normal tone for the right content you are creating. Anyways, editors, you have WordTune, you have Shortly AI, you have Copy AI. So this Copy AI is an AI powered tool for generating marketing copy, including ad headlines, social media posts, and more. So like I was saying the other time, that it can help you create, to tell you the kind of topic you want to use, the kind of subject you want to use to sell your product that will attract people to come, that will tell them to come and look, that will tell them to come and see. Those are what all these artificial intelligence applications can do. Here we have Articolo. This one analyzes articles also, understand the articles and make the text more meaningful. We have the Crayon, which helps marketers generate better content by providing insights and inspiration from competitors' content and marketing materials. The Crayon will go to your rival companies, go and look at what they are doing. It will extract inspiration. It will extract ideas. This is what they are doing. This their post is having 300 engagements. This one is having 10 engagements. So you can use this one that has 300 engagements. Those are what artificial intelligence can do. Then we have the Snazzy AI, which is a platform that uses AI to help us generate engaging and creative content for social media, blogs, and more. These are just few examples of the artificial intelligence creation, content creation tools. There are a lot, much more that will be availing as the time comes, that you can use to make real good money in 2024. And I'm sure everybody on this class wants to make real good money. The focus of this class is Remini AI, Canva AI, and Predis AI. Those are the three three applications we'll be leveraging on for tonight. So in conclusion, artificial intelligence has revolutionized content creation by providing powerful tools like Canva AI, Remini AI, Predis AI. These technologies have streamlined the creativity process, enhanced productivity, and opened up new possibilities for content creators. They have opened up new possibilities for content creators. As AI continues to advance, it is poised to play an increasingly pivotal role. I'm muted. Oh, that is serious. 1 minute. Can you hear me now? Let me know in the chat box if you can hear me. Okay, great. Great. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so that is the presentation for tonight. I'll be closing with that so that we can go into our, okay, Solomon Omotosho, you can't hear me. Oh, I think somebody cannot still hear me. Please let me know if others can hear me. Please let me know if you can hear me now. Solomon says he cannot hear me. Let me know if others can hear. Okay, you can hear me clearly. Solomon, please, I think you need to go out and coming back so you don't miss any of the session. I think it's a network each from your side. Okay, you can hear me. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, great. Thank you very much. So I would like to know in the chat box, do we go for a 5 minutes break before we start our practicals, or we are good to go? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, you just got in. What have you missed? Okay. Ken, never mind. We are recording the session, so you get a recording after the class. You get a recording after the class. They almost kidnapped you. Oh, thank God you are here with us. Thank God. Okay. I think everybody says they are good to go with the practical session. I can see we are all ready to start this session. Okay. Now, I'll be putting up a poll on your screen. So I want you to feel, okay. King's Eddie Life, please, do you have a question? I can see that your hand is still raised. King's Eddie Life, your hand is raised. Okay, no, we should write on. Okay, thank you. So I will send the poll now. I want everybody to answer the poll and let me know the kind of audience we have so we can know how to bend in shape and how to balance it. Thank you very much. The poll will not be showing your name, so feel free to share your opinion. Feel free to share your opinion and let us see. Yes, I think the poll is there now. So let's see. What is your purpose in seeking the training for AI-based content creation? Go through the options and pick whichever one applies to you. Okay. To begin content creation on my social media pages. Okay, 2 people has that vote already. Let's keep on voting so I can know how to bend my class and the training for tonight. Okay, to begin a side business as a graphic designer. Okay, 2 people wants to begin their business as a side. Can you get the poll? Yes, the poll is on your screen. Just click on it. The poll is on your screen. You just click on it and you select whichever option works for you. You can't see the poll. Some people cannot see the poll. Okay, if you cannot get the poll, never mind. Let's just, you can type in the chat box. Okay, you can also get the poll at the activities. Okay, go to activities on your mobile phone. Go to activities on your mobile phone. Okay, to explore a new business opportunity. Okay. Okay. To begin content creation is leading now. I think I just want to know the kind of audience we have so I can know how to position well for this training for the lab class. Okay. To explore new business opportunities. Okay.